how to fix can't add audio to Instagram Reels. Hello everybody. If you're finding this kind of issue when you're trying to add audio to Instagram Reels, you can follow up the steps. So in order to fix that issue, the most easiest way is going ahead and making sure your app is updated to the latest version. You can do that by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store onto your device. So you can head over to the search bar and search for Instagram. Type in Instagram and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it is not, you can just go ahead and update it from here. And sometimes keep in mind that Instagram, that music sticker is not available to everyone. So if you don't have that in your region, that may be also one of the reasons why you're not having it. So that is it for now. You can update your app to the latest version to fix the can't add audio to Instagram Reels for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.